recently moved into our new house and my daughter wanted a rainbow painted on her wall. Not a sign, but a fun little project I thought I'd take you all along for.
It's actually pretty fun and it's not taking a whole lot of time. I might be able to just do one coat too. I also did not tell her it was gonna be perfect. I intentionally picked a kind of irregular one so I did not have to be perfect. I did not want to tape either, so I made it where each color was not touching each other. That way I did not have to tape in between each color, but I also didn't want it to be absolutely perfect arches because then I would have to worry about being perfect, and I was not going to spend the time to be perfect. I actually think it's kind of cool how it's just like different.
Oh my gosh, Mom, that's so pretty!
Isn't it cool?
Yeah. That kind of looks like orange.
No, it doesn't. It's a little bit, but you'll see how it's different than the orange when I paint the orange.
Are those going to be spaced out like she wants it spaced out?
Yeah.
Can
Please don't touch my projector, but
You
yes.
won't.
You're so beautiful. I love it. Okay, that one's gonna need a second coat. This dry now. It's not really dry enough to do. Maybe. All right. Lily, I don't want you to come see it.
Lily, don't come in, don't come in. Mom wants it to be a surprise.
Oh, they're getting faster because they're getting smaller. That would make sense. I definitely could have done this on the sample sizes from Home Depot and saved myself like $60, but now we'll have colors for the rainbow for everywhere. You know what would be kind of cool though is to paint one of the walls this blue color. It's gonna be the last one. We only have one blue, not two. So we are foregoing the inside one and doing a purple now. Oh my god, last one. Oh. I saw another one where they took these same colors and they did like polka dots around the rest of the white on the room.
That's cute.
That would be cute. I'll see what she wants to do. But I was thinking we could do like cloud shells.
Oh,
I think it's done though. Okay, so ready? Open! What do you think?
Pretty.
You like it?
Yeah.
Did it come out really good?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to keep just the rainbow? And put your stuff back? I saw another where they put like polka dots on the wall that were rainbow. That looks so cool. Do you like it just the way it is? What do you want?
I don't know what to
Why don't we put your bed back and everything and put your stuff back and you can sleep on it and think about it. And then if you decide you want to add something, we will. And if not, we'll leave it the way it is.
Well, I do want to add something, but I don't know what.
You don't know what?